Hi guys, let's check out the Illusion custom ROM for the Nexus 4. You can see my Nexus 4 is running the Illusion ROM, which is based on Android 4.3 Jelly Bean. This ROM is still in beta stages, so you can expect some bugs, but I haven't come across any major issues or so what. Even though it is still in beta stages, you can see the ROM is very fast and very stable. You don't see any lag or whatsoever. So this ROM comes with Nova Launcher pre-installed, so you don't need to install any custom launcher. So let's go to the settings and check out some of the features that you are going to get with this ROM. Under the general tab here, had the app sidebar. You can see when I swipe from left to right, had this sidebar where you can place any app, any of your favorite app, and you can get quick access to that app, so that you can keep your home screen clean. Had the clock settings here. You had the round-off feature, which is built in this ROM. Round-off feature is nothing but when you open an app, you can see the rounded edges here. You can open any app and see here the edges are rounded, the square edges are gone. So that's about the rounder, which is a cool feature to have. We have the theme section here where you are going to get two themes with this ROM. You can see I am using a custom theme here that's built in this ROM. You can see the buttons, which looks very nice. So the theme is working fine. Had the profiles, widget view pager, and low battery warning under the general section. Under the interface, had a lot more features available here. Had the halo settings where you can enable your halo. If you want to use your halo, you can customize your halo colors. You had the hybrid settings here where you can change your phone UI mode to tablet or phablet. You can change your system density, the apps UI, the apps density. You can even adjust your navigation bar height. You can see my navigation bar height is decreased now, so you can adjust your navigation bar height, which is a very cool option. So that's about the hybrid properties. Under the notification drawer, you had the power widget, which is a nice add-on, so you can keep your widgets right on your notification panel. You don't need to tap on this icon and go to the quick shortcuts menu. So you had the quick settings panel where you can customize your quick settings panel, so you can add more tiles here. This is the quick settings panel where you can add more tiles. So you had a lot of options available here to customize your quick settings panel. You had the shortcuts where you can keep shortcuts. You can see in the notification panel I'm using a Gmail shortcut, so you can get quick access to that Gmail app by tapping the icon, which is a nice add-on in this ROM. So that's about the status bar. That's about the notification bar. Under the status bar, we had some cool features where you can customize your status bar background style. You can change your battery icon style even. You can change the battery icon color. You can change your text color. So you had a lot of features here. You can change your signal status style to text, or you can hide your signal status. So you can see you can check the auto hide status bar. You can see my status bar is hidden now. When you enable the quick peek and you swipe down, you will get your status bar back. So that's about the status bar settings. Had the lot of animations. You can see when I am going back, you can see the cool animations. So this ROM has that cool animation effects overall, so which is very nice. So under the navigation, we had a few settings here. Under the navigation bar, you can had the buttons where you can add more buttons to your navigation bar. You can see I added a screen off button here, which is working fine. When I tap on the screen turns off, which is a nice add-on to this ROM. So under the navigation bar, you had a few more options here. You had the ring targets here. You can see when I swipe up, I had the Google Now as well as the torch shortcut here, which is a nice thing to have. You had the power menu where you can customize your power menu. So we had the Pi control here. The Pi feature is working fine. So that's about the Illusion ROM, guys. If you want to check out this ROM, I will leave the download links in the description. Make sure you download the ROM and try it out. This ROM is very fast and very shareable. You can see I forgot to show you. This is a custom driver that you are going to get with this ROM, which looks very nice. So that's it for now, guys. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you want to check out other ROMs for the Nexus 4, make sure you check out my other videos. So okay, that's it for now, guys. It's good.